Hello, you are welcome once again. The name still remains Bopitech TV. Today we are going to learn how to earn free Bitcoin online. You just receive it free by doing nothing, only performing daily tasks. And the minimum withdrawal is low. To withdraw it, the minimum withdrawal is 0.08 cent. So to convert to Bitcoin. So if you even had a day, you can even withdraw $5. So it's just by doing tax, and this is very legit. I will show you a payment proof. In GoPayTech you will always find legit website. Before we bring it out, we need to test it before. So we just tested it, and it is very good. It is paying as it is and what they said. And this website is very good. They have good content. You can even advertise your product or whatever there by using your Bitcoin to pay. For us not to waste, and let's jump into this video. But before that, if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. Please, all the subscribers, you are not turning the notification bell. Because of that, our views are not going high. Please, if we lose this channel, will you be happy? Please turn on the notification bell, and whenever a video is being uploaded, you'll be notified. Please, I'm begging you people, please help us. We also help you. You see, we always go on risk just to find good or nice website for our audience to also make money online. So let's jump into this video. To go to this, just check in the description. There is a link there. The link will take you to this form. So let me also open my own and teach you how to create your account. Now this website is entitled to one account. You can only create one account in this website. We don't create multiple accounts. When you try to create a multiple account, they collect your account. Now when you use the link in the description, this is how they register. The registration form is to ask you to put the username, your email, your Bitcoin address. Now let me explain this thing to you. Now if you want to make more money, you can go and pick your Bitcoin wallet from anywhere. We have direct Bitcoin wallet, is either from Binance or Trust Wallet, and we have this online wallet that we call Fucent Wallet. You can just register it and you can get any crypto wallet for free. So for that one, you can draw as less as, when you are using the Fucent Wallet, you can draw as less as 0.0 cent, 0.08 cent. So if you want, you can leave this one. You can leave the wallet side. When you have to withdraw, you do it. So you put your password there and confirm the password. Now you put in this captcha, your email and your username. After that, you just press done. You just press create account and it will create it. I already have account, so I'll log in into my account and show you. Now when you log in into the account, this is how it will look like. Someone said, why is your account 00? Let's go down here. Let me show you something. This is Fucent Pay. See, I just withdraw the money 11 minutes ago. This is what I draw. 0.000201 Bitcoin. So this is what I have withdrawn today, because I cannot use my direct wallet to withdraw low unless my electronic wallet. So I use the Fucent wallet to withdraw, just to see that it's very legit before I have time to work with this. And we all know that Bitcoin is very high. It's have a higher market price, and it's even bigger than USDT when you are converting them. And let's say if you play this, if you try this game and being able to reach 1 Bitcoin, imagine what you are going to earn. You can even earn thousands of these things. So for us not to waste time, let me teach you how you're going to earn money. So when you come here, you see this line here, that is where you are going to tap. So when you press on it, it will open. You have earn reward as lotto. So that is how they continue down. We'll start with earn interest. Let me teach you something there. This is the earn interest. What does it mean? This earn interest, we said Satoshi balance. When you perform any task, will give you this Satoshi, your active share. Now the smart way to grow your Bitcoin by investing one share. So when you invest this, you receive 7% of it. I'm telling you, no one should invest or buy anything. We are here to make it free. So let's go to the free side. Just go to reward. When you go to this reward, now in every 15 minutes you can go and perform capture and receive so you just go to reward here. Now you perform this capture and receive, it's either 1 Bitcoin, Satoshi, or whatever. So 0 plus 16, sorry, 0 plus 18 is 18. You put in, you are not going to put 0 plus this, you are going to put the answer in this capture. So we'll put 18 and just press confirm, claim now. So we will earn enough this, and in every day they'll give you the number of requirement of as people paste that you can. When you watch people paste, so I just earn 2 Satoshi as 2 Bitcoin. So when you go here, I'm coming. When you come here, that is one way to earn. When you press on those 3 lines at the right corner, we have view as, and these are the only two you can use to earn free. Earn reward and view as. You see, I have used the as here. So this as people paste their websites, they are advertising here. So they said the first one, earn money by playing. That is the person listening. So you earn 4 Satoshi, 30 seconds. So when you type on this, it will open because I watch some has come. Now when you type on it like this, it will open. Now when it open, someone said, how are we going to earn the money? Now I'm going to teach you. This is how you're going to, they say start. Now you tap on this start. Now you let this as run. Just press somewhere like you are registering. So just press on this register and wait for 10 seconds. So the seconds that they will put in that place is the number of seconds. So they say 10 seconds. So we'll just be here for 10 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then add 5 so that we will not miss anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go back and earn this money. We were already having 2 Satoshi, so we just earn that money. So that is how you earn, by viewing all this as. So let's go to our dashboard. Has it added to our money? Yes, it has been added. Now when you see we get 3, when it reach 200, you can withdraw it into your electronic day. So you see withdrawal, the withdrawal I just made today, 201. So it went to the electronic wallet because it's not up to the the requirement for me to withdraw it directly. So I'm putting it in my electronic wallet. I'm just saving these small tokens there. Anytime they also reach requirement there for me to withdraw, I'll just withdraw. So in these games like this, we always withdraw small before they will run out of it. You get something in your electronic wallet. So when you work other side and you reach there, you can draw into your main wallet and sell. That is how we work online. Now if you know this video is attractive to you and you like it, please give us a thumbs up and comment below in the comment section. Please just check in the description, you will see our WhatsApp group. You join the group, you can pick the WhatsApp number, just text me if you don't understand anything and we'll vibe.